Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup notes from PropStream using Evernote step by step clearly. Open PropStream and navigate to your notes section. Select the notes you wish to back up. Click on the first note to open it. Highlight the text within the note. Right-click and choose Copy. Now, open Evernote in a new tab or application. Create a new note in Evernote. In the new note, right-click and select Paste. Repeat this process for each note you want to back up. If your notes include images or attachments, download them from PropStream. In PropStream, click on the image or attachment to download it. Save the file to your computer in an easily accessible location. Once downloaded, return to Evernote. In the note you've created, click on the attachment icon. Select the file you just downloaded and upload it to your Evernote note. Make sure to organize notes into relevant notebooks for better management. Label each note appropriately for future reference. After completing all notes, verify that all information has been accurately transferred to Evernote. When satisfied, log out of both applications to ensure your information is secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.